Okay, this is super cool, super interesting. So you can buy all these fireworks. Oh, it's made in Thailand. So you can buy all these fireworks and then you can, I guess, light them off over there. We're gonna go find out. And we're just gonna walk by all these and just kind of see what they have, and then we're gonna end up over there by the fireworks and see what that's all about too. So yeah, stay tuned and let's check all this out. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's just kind of meander through this. So it looks like you can buy all kinds of really cool stuff. Gold rockets, all kinds of stuff. And I think it's going to keep getting more crowded later. And then we just kind of highlight everything in here. Neon. Wow, looks really cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on exploring. Sorry, I'm kind of... There we go. It's kind of crowded, so it's kind of hard to get all the images and everything. So these are like some pretty big ones. Actually, that kind of makes sense because I was watching the fireworks from behind. You could hear them all night last night, like for hours the last few days. And today is day 4, I think, or day 3. And it's every time I try to catch the fireworks. Let's just kind of see what some more of these are. So cool. And you got boxes and boxes going back there. Macau Tower's in the background there. And then there's some of the fireworks. So I guess what people do is they buy these here, then they light them over there. So you can see some people carrying them, right? Okay, so now I kind of understand this a little bit more. So what we're going to do is walk over there and kind of see. So we're going to be over there and check it all out. I can see the crowds of people right over there. Pretty cool. So yeah, I was wondering why. I was like, how did the city buy that many fireworks? Because they've been going on all night, you know, for the whole Chinese New Year, right? So it's, now that kind of makes sense. So people buy them and then they come over here and then they light them. Whoa! 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 So this is the lighting area. Lighting firecrackers and fireworks in this area is prohibited. So where we're at is prohibited. You have to do it up here. So now we got all these people lighting off firecrackers everywhere. Okay, that totally makes sense now. Whoa! Whoa! Now it all makes sense. I was wondering how they were sustaining it for. Wow. That's really cool. There's some little ones as well. There goes the big one. Wow. Very cool. So I think what we're gonna do is just walk. Whoa! So I think anybody can buy them and light them. But I think over there there's some official people, so we're gonna walk down that direction and just see if those official people are like lighting the big ones. Whoa. Wow. So those are the big ones. see some guys with guard stuff over here, so I'm just curious if they're like fighting off really big ones. Okay, so it looks like there's gonna be some big ones going on over here. Really cool. So this is the entrance part. Oh, it's so cool. So I guess these guys are just kind of watching and making sure everything's good. There goes the big one. There's somebody that has a small one over there on the ground. Unless it goes off. Okay, let's just kind of walk down along this. That's really cool. Here's a big one. Oh, landed into the water. And there's some other on the other side too. So both sides of the river, that's the type of side, that's the Macau side. So I guess we can ride those big ones and just let them over here. Oh, that one went the wrong way. Wow. Oh, here comes a really big one right there. I can see that boy that has one. Kind of cool. They threw away that part, but some kind of big ones over there. Very interesting. I kind of wonder what this is like later at night. Somebody launched the big one right there. Very cool. So this is how they do the fireworks here. I always wondered because I was like, how do they have so many fireworks all night long? Because it goes over the river, right? So it's like I always thought those were from the government. But actually, they just anybody can buy them and bring them here, and they light them off over the water right in this area, and they do the same over on the other side too. So really, really cool. Watch one more big one. Very, very cool. That's amazing. I didn't know they did that. Anyways, that's how they do fireworks in Macau. I'm not sure if I stay here long enough I'd see like more and more cool stuff constantly. But yeah, that's basically how they do it. There we go. That's pretty cool. So actually they try to touch it, so try to touch it as well. So you try to touch the dragon. So everybody's bringing the dragon over. Touch it, Tyler. Touch it. Touch it. Happy New Year. There you go. Alright. So they're bringing it across so that everybody can touch it. Alright. Hello, Happy New Year. That's kind of cool. I like all these lion dances too. The are really cool. Yeah, looks like they might do some line dancing. Might do some line dancing later too. Yeah, this is pretty cool. There we got this beautiful dragon right there too. I love all the dragon stuff. Get that attention again. Doing Happy New Year. Might actually get somebody to come up and Happy New Year! Happy New Year! You gotta dance. The Macau track, okay, the float. Askira, City of Dreams, City of City. Alright. The fireworks. Happy New Year. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.